Hey traders, it's John Howell here from tradinginvestingforyou.com. In this video, we are going to talk about and go through exactly what the Dow Jones Industrial Average is actually doing and what is that actually showing right now. Okay, but before we get into this, as you know, that this is trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. I don't know your personal objectives, and this is just general advice only, geared around just educational purposes only. Okay, so just take this as educational purpose only to give you those extra tools, those extra things to help you move in the right direction when it comes to trading. Okay. Now, before I start, just let you know that tonight is the last night to register, because tonight is the night where I'm running the free cash flow mastery strategies live training. Okay, so just below this video, click on that link and make sure you register. Okay, so let's get into the charts. We're looking at the daily chart right now up here. And as you can see here, I've just drawn a line here. If I just remove this line here, we can see that's what's happening here right now. This overall market since basically since the start of February, maybe mid of February, you can see it's just overall going sideways, right? We can see that we have an overall major resistance up the top here, and overall we have this sort of support level down here. Overall, that's an overall, maybe something else down going through here as well too. Okay, bit of support level. So that's what we see right now on the actual support resistance levels. But as I just had just a minute ago, we also had a sort of a support resistance trend line, and if we have a look and draw it from here to here, we can see that's actually a trend line going through. It's actually valid. See, it's sort of resistance through here, and if I just draw this here, we have all this resistance through here, support through here, support through here, support through there, and also support through here. You can see it actually, that's where it's bounced as well too. So it almost didn't touch there as well, but I could jig that around to make sure it touches, and basically that trend line's there valid. Okay. So you can see this massive run up, and then we're looking at a daily chart now, and basically for the last, what's this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically 2 weeks, we've had some nice downward movement through here. And I would say that that looks like to me that that's the start of some possible downward movement to come. Now, obviously the market never just drops. Okay, we never see the market just drop like that. It'll go run, and then had a bit of a pullback, and run back up, and a pullback, and so on and so forth. Right, so because of that, this market, to me, if this market looks like it may want to pause here for a bit. Okay, and if it does pause here for a bit, we might get a bit of a pullback. If we get a bit of a pullback, I would see that the market would likely get a pullback just towards this level up here. Okay, see this little support level here? It's support. So if the market does run up, we're likely to get a bit of a bounce, a resistance there, and possibly a pop down through there. Now, we have been coming down pretty heavily, so if I add the stochastics on, okay, so add the stochastics, so you can see here that the stochastics right now are right at the very bottom of this chart here, and that shows me that the stochastics are saying that this thing is well over. It's now getting to the oversold section, and we could expect a bounce. Okay, now I wouldn't say that bounce is likely to continue up, because the overall momentum now is starting to slope down just slightly. And what I mean by that is this: we can see that we have this major low here, and then a lower low here, and then a lower low here, and now we've had a lower low here. So it's actually slowly making lower lows. Okay, and now we've had 1 top, 2 top, 3 top. This is actually a triple top, which is very rare. Normally on the fourth, it's actually quadruple top. Normally when the market hits this fourth time, you know, once, twice, 3 times and backs off and comes up to this time, normally it breaks through. But due to the fact that it hasn't broken through, we've now seen a bit more downside on this movement here. So at that support level now, this stochastics is well over here. I'd say we likely to possibly even get a bit of a bounce through here as well. Okay, but when the market's going down and severely wants to sell off, then that's something you just don't want to be stepping in. So I wouldn't be looking to buy this market. I'd be looking to sell this market. And if we do get a pop, then that's the best time to be getting into it as well too. So, okay. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little education video here. Right now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is at a support level right now. You can see this trend line through here. Okay, it's at a support level. The stochastics getting into the oversold section. So I wouldn't be surprised to see if we get a bounce here. Now, if we do get a bounce, I would say that bounce would be short-lived, and the sellers are likely to come in to the market. So there we go, traders. I hope you've enjoyed that. Make sure you click on that link below right now. Come to the live training event tonight. You're going to be absolutely amazed. It's going to go for about 90 minutes to 2 hours, and it is a training event, so that's why it's going to take that long. Okay, it's not just teaching you a bunch of it's not going to give you an introduction tool package and then that's it. No, I'm actually going to teach you strategies, the details. I'm going to teach you the 5 top trading patterns, the 6 things you need in any trading system to get ahead. All these different things on this training event. So click on that link below right now, and I'll see you there tonight. Now, no matter what happens, make sure you say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and that is success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.